Our problem statement is to find out the value of houses using its features. We took Chennai housing data from Kaggle and processed it. Our solution uses a random forest model and a responsive web interface to predict the user's house price from their inputs. PredictMyHome leverages IBM Z by using its high-performance, secure, and reliable environment to efficiently train the random forest model, deploy the Flask-based web application, and ensure scalable, real-time house price predictions. Our tech stack for PredictMyHome includes Python and Flask for the backend, scikit-learn, NumPy, and Pandas for machine learning and data processing, joblib for model handling, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with AJAX for a responsive frontend, all deployed in Docker containers on the IBM Z mainframe. This shows the working of our model, which provides web interface for both desktop as well as mobile. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to participate in IBM Z Datathon.